If you're looking for a good portable mini fan, guys, this is a great option. My name is Kimberly, and today I'm going to be doing a quick review on this portable mini fan. I really love it, guys. It's portable, it's mini, you can take it literally anywhere, and I love that it is super easy to use because literally a fan is super easy to use. So basically right now it's closed, as you can tell. So what I wanted to show you before I go ahead and show you how to open it and how to use it is that it's actually charged using a USB-C port. So as you can see, we have the USB-C port there. It actually comes with its own USB-C cable, so it's really cool. I loved it. It only comes with a cable though, so it only comes with like the USB to USB-C cable, so you have to get the adapter. Also, it does come with its own remote control, which I love because you can control it using a remote control. It's super cool. It does come with a little open indicator here. So basically where you have the open indicator, all you have to do is just open it like this. So you start opening it, as you can see, and then we open up the head like this. So this is how you open the fan. So right here in the base, as you can see, we have the two buttons. One is for the intensity of the fan, and the other one is to kind of like isolate it, so you can just like turn to the sides, and that way you don't have to be like moving it around, so it can just move around by itself. So right now I'm gonna show you the 4 different modes that the fan has, so you can kind of see like it lower or increase the intensity. So we're gonna go ahead and press it once. So as you can see, that's the normal fan right there. We're gonna press it 2 times. And then we're gonna press it 3 times. So that's super fast, guys. That's like a super high intensity fan. And then the off button, obviously. So now that I showed you the intensity of the fan, guys, I'm gonna show you how it actually rotates on its own. That way you don't have to be changing the angle by yourself, and it can just do it on its own. Okay, so now that I brought you a little bit closer, I'm going to turn on the fan to the lowest mode just for the purpose of showing you how it actually rotates. So this is the lowest mode of the fan, the lowest intensity, and we're going to start the rotation. So as you can see, guys, it starts rotating, which is pretty cool. A lot of fans don't do that. We only have like the big fans that actually rotate on its own, so I really love this. Alright guys, so now I'm going to show you how tall the fan can actually get. Now in order for you to be able to extend it, just make sure that the handle here is turned counterclockwise, and that way it unlocks it and you're able to extend the fan. So you just extend it like this. So that's how tall the fan can get. I am 5'4" for reference, and it reaches my waist. So it's a pretty tall fan, guys. It's not super tall like up to here, but it's a really tall fan that you can use for like whenever you go out or whenever you're in places or locations that are a little bit too warm for your liking. But I absolutely love it, guys. It's portable. You can take it literally anywhere. All you have to do is just bend it like this and just retract it back to its place. So all you do, it's this, and then it retracts back to its normal state, which is awesome, guys. Really cool portable mini fan that I would definitely recommend.